Hello, I'm in a 2012 Nissan Juke, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So, with the vehicle on and the radio on, we're going to use the voice controls. So this will start it, and we're going to just walk through the voice prompts as it says.
Attempting to connect to your phone. Please wait.
So we'll just have to wait. If you've previously connected, it's going to try to connect your phone now. I have not connected to this yet, so it's just going to fail here in a moment and then walk us through prompts to add a new phone.
No phone found. Would you like to add a phone now? After the beep, say add phone, replace phone, select phone, or no.
Add phone.
Add phone. The system is searching for your phone. Using your handset, look for a Bluetooth device called My Car. When requested by the handset, enter the PIN 1234. For further instructions, refer to your phone's user manual.
So I just turned on the Bluetooth here, and then I hold it down to get to my pairing menu. And then as you heard the voice commands, we're just going to watch for that name to come up, My Car. And then it wants us to do 1234 for a code. 1234.
Phone connected. Please say a name for the phone.
Clay's phone. Clay's phone.
Is this correct? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Clay's phone.
Saved.
And there's a limited number of phones that can be stored, so you might need to delete a phone or device first before you can add new phones. So on those voice prompts, there was an option to delete. You could delete ones as well. But now you should be able to take calls and things like that through the car. And I don't believe you can listen to music from your phone through this, but you might. You could test yours, so the different years might let you. And then if you have like an aftermarket, you could do that as well. One workaround is there's an aux port here you could plug into. And then in the glove box, you might be able to get an adapter to plug in through your glove box as well, so you can directly connect to play music. And if your model does allow you to play music from your phone somehow, I would check into these aux buttons until you get to something that says Bluetooth. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.